Okay, for my parallelism test on the columnways, I chose to build a very simple sled, a version of the Connolly's book frame, not having a Kingway alignment tool. My attempts were based on having it as simple as possible, thou still trying to retain, of course, the objective so that it was useful, in the sense that it is based on 3-point on the flat side and then 2 points here just for alignment, and those are steel roller balls from a dispatched of bearing. Was easy to make, so that was one of the criteria. Took no great cleverness to make, so let's see if it fits the bill. Invert it onto the bed, and it sort of auto aligns, and then we can slide it up and down. First I have to also qualify another tool, because I have my Chinese level 2/200ths of a millimeter per meter, but it's non-adjustable, so instead of having to insert shims and stuff, I wanted to make use of this one, which is a 61R spirit level inside, but since you can have those in at least 4 different versions I've seen, and on mine there is no writing as to what kind of accuracy or sensitivity it has, I would have to adjust it and then also to measure the sensitivity. So what I did now, I inserted a shim. This is a known error to be introduced, a known 2/100ths of a millimeter under one side. I adjusted to expecting this to be the same sensitivity, so 2/100ths of a millimeter per meter equals roughly 4/1000ths per the distance I have on this one, which is 21 centimeters. So I adjust this, expecting then to get a 5-line jump when I take away the shim again. So I adjust it to the leftmost of these lines at the right hand side. Okay, just shy of that mark, maybe too much, but I take it away, and off she goes to the right, and the bubble settles at, see there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think that I've qualified this to be 4/1000ths of a millimeter at that distance. So I can use it to find out the parallelity of this columnways system.